Everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. This opportunity is again related to software developer intern. So today's update is from PipesHub hiring for software developer intern. So if you are a recent graduate completing your graduation in 2026 and 2027 only, then you are really eligible for this role. So they are mainly looking for software developer interns for who are going to graduate in 2026 and 2027. So if you are graduating in 2026 and 2027, then you can apply for this role, as the company name is PipesHub hiring for the position of software developer intern, and the location would be Bangalore. So if you are relocating to Bangalore, then this opportunity is for you. And I have posted this post just now. You can see experienced freshers are only eligible for this role, and eligibility as you can check. And this would be an internship. After that, they are really going to give you a full-time role. This is a great chance to start your career if you are going to graduate in 2026 and 2027 batch. So you can click on this link to apply would be given in the description box as well. I have posted this link to apply in the LinkedIn page as well. So stay connected so that you never miss any notification that I would be posting regularly. So I would be also pasting this link in the description box. As soon as you click on this link, you would be not be taken to the career portal page where I will be giving you all the details, but this is a simple Google form where you have to fill by the Pipes Hub. This is only a simple Google form where it will hardly take 5 minutes to fill. Make sure you fill the right email address, right email, right phone number, write your name. Everything should be right so that they may definitely contacting you uh, via email. So all the best and apply as soon as possible before the deadline. I would be giving you a brief idea and covering all the details very fast by giving you everything. The description has been mentioned over here. You can see Pipes Hub is the name of the company. They are mainly looking for Python SDE internship. So if you know some basic details related to Python, related to Pipes Hub Python SDE internship for a period of 6 months. So if you are really interested, you can fill this form. So you can see all the details have been mentioned below. So you can read the company description. PipesHub is a full extensible and explainable workplace AI platform for enterprise search and workflow automation. You can read all the details. They have also pasted a GitHub repo related to PipesHub platform where you can see all the details on what technology they might work. If you think this role is for you, you can definitely apply for this role. This is a very good role and start your career as a Python SDE. So you can check. They have clearly mentioned that they would be giving you a full-time role based on your performance in the internship. So make sure you perform as great as possible. So you can see role description. I have previously discussed that this opportunity is open only 2026 and 2027 batch only, as I have mentioned previously. So they have clearly mentioned in the form that this opportunity is open only to 2026 and 2027 batch. So this is a 6 months full-time remote internship role. You don't have to work from office. It is completely remote. You have to work from home from wherever you are comfortable. So this is a 6 months full-time remote internship role for Python software development engineering intern. This intern, mainly the intern will be responsible for developing and maintaining backend system. Programming in Python is required and ensure the software is efficient and reliable. They may give you daily tasks including collaborating with development team, writing clean and efficient code, and participating in code reviews. So mainly the qualifications they have mentioned in the points, you can see proficiency in software development in Python, understanding of REST API, strong understanding of object-oriented programming, which stands for OOPS. So you should know all of these details. These are the fundamental details that everyone learns in their engineering. So you can see all the details. And they have mentioned that currently pursuing a degree in computer science or related field are only eligible. That is computer science, CS, IT, ECE, all this uh, software branches are eligible. So they have mentioned that must have strong work ethics, hard work. So these are some of the essential things that they have mentioned. So I have told that this is an internship period for a period of 6 months at Pipes Hub. Then they In this period of internship, they are providing 25k to 35k per month based on your performance. So they have clearly mentioned the PPO, which stands for pre-placement offer. This is, yes, based upon your performance. So perform as great as possible. They may definitely giving you a full-time role based on your performance. Then you can see all the details that they have mentioned. Just you have to fill this simple Google form. As I have mentioned previously, that this is a simple Google form. This will hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes, where you can fill all the details, mention the right, fill the right email address so that the hiring team may contact you via email. Then mention your full name, then your phone number, then gender and everything. Do you have access to personal computer or equivalent technologies for use during your internship? You can mention yes or no based on your response. Then link to your resume. Make sure the links are working. Uh, Upload your resume to the Google Drive and mark it available for everyone to view, so that it will be easier for the hiring team to contact you. Mention your college name. So the passing year, they have clearly mentioned only 2026 and 2027. Take note of this. Then what are your majors? You can mention those. So if you have one of the GitHub profile, mention those. If you have done some of the good projects in Python, machine learning and AI, mention those as well. This will add a great advantage from the rest of the candidates that they're applying. At the last, mention your GitHub profile link, paste it over here and submit the Google form. If you get selected or shortlisted, they will contact you via email. Make sure you check your email constantly, and give your right email address. And all the best. This is a good opportunity to start your career in PipesHub Python SDE internship for a period of 6 months. If you are really interested to work at PipesHub, you can apply. I would be pasting this link in the comment box. Go in the comment box and apply from there itself. If you face any queries or difficulties, let me know. And all the best. Stay tuned. I would be bringing more opportunities and update daily from now onwards. So stay connected and all the best.